All right, what is a flipped classroom? I know everybody's wanting to know. No, it is not a classroom that has been flipped and turned upside down. Although that's kind of what I thought it was at first myself. Let's get started, Alex. All right, here's how it works. Notice this picture. Let me get a different color here. All right, you notice this picture? You've got, right here is the traditional classroom. This is kind of what most teachers use. They stand at the front of the room, they lecture, they make you take notes while you're in class, and then if you've got time at the end of class, you'll do a couple of examples, and then a lot of times they'll send you homework home. I notice there's homework up here on the board. It wants you to do reading and questions, and it's due tomorrow. You come in, you'll learn something else new, same thing over and over and over. Well, people that created this, they said, that's boring. Let's do something that, engages the kids. So this is what a flipped classroom. One thing that you will know what a flipped classroom looks like. Teachers up front lecturing, the kids are in a straight row sitting, listening. Look over here. The kids are in groups, talking to each other, helping each other, and the teacher is walking around the room. The activity that you would do at home is done in class, and you listen to the lecture at home. I'll make a video and I'll sign the video for you to watch while you're at home. You take notes while you're at home, and that's the good thing. It's because I know you guys, a lot of you don't like taking notes word for word, and you're like, can I do this? Can I abbreviate? These are your notes. Take them however you want, but you have to take notes because the following day, after I've assigned the video, we're going to have an activity, and it's based off of that video, and if you've not watched it and taken notes, you'll probably be a little bit behind. Okay? It says up here, a teacher's favorite question. I get this question all the time. And why do we need to know this? When are we ever going to use this? And I promise you, I would never teach you guys something that you didn't need to know because, one, I don't want to waste my time on it, and I don't want to waste your time on it. This, I think, is just pretty self-explanatory. And up here it says, an educational technology and activity learning that are two key components of a flipped classroom model. They both influence student learning environments in fundamental ways. All right. What I've done is I'm going to explain it here in easy terms. Here's a classroom flip. This is what happens. The two things that it helps is educational technology and the learning through activity. I know you guys love using your phones, love using YouTube. I know you all love technology, so that incorporates that in my classroom. And then it also helps you guys learn through doing. Because I'm the type of person that if somebody just explains it to me, no, I probably ain't going to understand it. I have to do it. So hopefully this will help you guys. And once you do these two things, it pretty much influences the learning environment. So it's all a good thing. What is expected of you? All right? When I tell you you've got an assignment, and your assignment is to watch the video, you better watch the video because if not, you're going to be behind. So you would watch the video, take good notes, make sure that you are ready for the activity over the video that you just assigned on the following day. Or I'm sorry, that I assigned, not you. And tell me, why do you think flipping is good? I've already mentioned that you get to take your notes your way. Here's another key thing, is that you can watch the video as many times as you need to. You can pause it, go get you something to eat, come back, start it over. It doesn't matter how many times you want to watch it, you watch it. And then the last but not least, there's a lot of times that if I was to have sent homework home and you'd be a little bit confused about it when you brought it home to your parents, maybe they didn't know for sure how to help you. So this video or these videos can help you at home because your parents or guardian or brother and sister or aunt, uncle, whoever it is, can watch the video and help you. Hopefully that just increases learning altogether. Also, this is crazy. I just want to show you how well flipping works. Before the flip, 50% or more of freshmen failed English, and 44% of freshmen failed math. That means, in most cases, more than half of the freshman students were failing before the flip, where you did the traditional classroom, just listening to the lecture, take notes, do activities at home. I mean, it just wasn't working. And that down here, it also said that there were 736 discipline cases in one semester. So they decided something has to be changed. So they did the flip. After the flip, there was 19% of freshmen failed English. Huge difference between 19 and 50 or more percent. And only 13% failed math. And 249 discipline cases in one semester. Huge difference. An obvious reason why flip works. Okay, guys, this is the last slide for tonight. Read the question that's up there on the screen. It is going to be your question tomorrow when you come in as the answer to your first quiz over using flipping classrooms. You guys have a good night's sleep, get some breakfast, and I will, in the morning, and that is, and I will see you tomorrow.